What is up, YouTube? We are back again with another video, but this time it's not a video you guys are used to. It's different. I've been ghost. It's been about a week since I posted a YouTube video. This YouTube video was actually edited last month. I just took forever to upload it. So yeah, I've been in a hole, man. I've been in a hole. So in the past 3 months, 3 months. I would say 2 months actually. I lost a good friend to mental health. I got my license suspended from a traffic ticket back in August. And I recently just lost my job of 4 years. So, with that being said, I've been in a fucking hole. And I just feel like on my YouTube, my Instagram, I've gained a lot of family. And it's not my job to tell you guys what I'm going through, but I feel like I have to keep you guys updated. Because at this point, you guys are family, you know? So, yeah. I still got the Q50. It's at my boy Pat's house getting the carbon fenders put on and ceramic coated. Since I don't have my license, it's just sitting up there. I will go get it here soon when my license suspension is up. But as far as content, content will be on the way. I've just been taking this time to just get my mental right. Just, taking time to myself. Asking God, why this, why that? I know he ain't always going to answer my questions, but I got questions. So yeah, man. Honestly, I never thought I would even reach 240 subscribers, but I did, and I'm blessed. Honestly, I thought I wouldn't even get 100 subscribers. So that being said, I just been taking time off, man. Haven't had any motivation, so yeah. Honestly, I'm not good at making these type of videos, honestly, but I'm here to tell you and keep you guys updated. Good news though, I do start a new job here tomorrow. Today is currently Sunday, November 16th. I start my new job tomorrow, Monday, November 17th. I'm not gonna tell y'all where at. It's not in the dispensary field no more, but yeah. As far as the queue though, with mods, we got some big things coming up for that. I got some big things coming for that car. And this car, last time you guys seen this car in September, well, I just made a post November 1st. It's not even gonna look nothing like that. I'm talking about front end, all that. It's gonna be completely different. So yeah, man. Sometimes you gotta go through the worst before you can be a better version of yourself or the best of yourself. So, if you guys are going through anything at all, anything, boys, men, mental health, depression, man, talk to somebody. I'm telling you, it's not worth it. Talk to somebody. There's plenty of people out here that love you and want to see you win, want to see you survive, want to see you be happy. So please, if you are struggling with mental health, please do not hold it in. Contact somebody. I'm even available to talk. I'm here. But yeah, man, that's it for that. Like, keep you guys updated. I do have a little video I made with my cousin in his 98 DSM. I'm gonna stitch into this. So yeah, we are back. Content is going to be back here soon. Give me about another week. Content will be coming back. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all don't be liking the video enough, bro. But like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great week and happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy the video. What the fuck?
It's this new steering wheel that fucking AJ put on. Ever since he put that shit on there, it's been doing that shit. Needs adjusted, bro. If you're watching this, we need to fix this shit. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
That's just it.
Nothing's wrong. It's just the wheel.